teacher. Today I am explaining about Michelson-Morley experiment. This is under special theory of relativity. First of all, Michelson-Morley experiment. This is a very important topic in first sem. Generally, Michelson and Morley, they have to find the value of velocity of the earth. They have to find the velocity of the earth. Generally, earth is always in a motion. But when, for example, we are in a bus, all doors and windows closed, then how to find the motion of the bus? No, compulsory we have to reference one thing. That means when we are in a bus, windows are open, then we compare the velocity of other outside the bus vehicles, any other thing. In the same way, when the earth is in motion, we take the reference of sun rays. This is the earth. Sun. This sun rays is work as a spectrum. Like, for example, I am taking the source. Yes. I am taking the source S. From source to, the light is passing through the columnated lens. Then the beam of the light is incidented on semi-silver glass plate. When it is incidented on semi-silver glass plate, from semi-silver glass plate to distance L, there is a one mirror. The distance between the mirror, that is the position A, this position G, in the same length, that means same length L, another mirror, that is the M2, that is B. When the light is incidented in a semi-silver glass plate, there is a two parts. One is reflected ray, another one is refracted ray. Here, when it is refracted and it is towards the mirror M2, it forms the interference pattern. In this, when it is reflected at the mirror, again it's returned back. That is the interference pattern. In the same way, refracted ray also interference pattern. But earth is always in motion. Okay. So the velocity of the objects V. Velocity of the rays C. When the earth is in motion, operators also in a moving some distance. That means mirror A moves to A dash or A prime. This D, nothing but semi-silver glass plate, again G dash. When operators are moving with a velocity v, then the refracted ray, in this situation, ray is incidented and reflected in a same line. That is the interference. When it is object, mirror is moving, then reflected ray towards the A, again here forms G, A dash, G dash. Take the normal, that is the D. Here, velocity of the operators is V, velocity of the light is C. Then here we form the two right angles. Two right angles. In that, take one right angle, the ray 1. The ray 1 path covered G A dash G dash, G A dash G dash. Here take one right angle from above diagram. From above diagram. G A dash G, according to the Pythagoras theorem, G A dash G, G A dash square equal to G D square and A dash D square. We know the formula dts, distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. Here speed is the v, time is the t. Then ray is traveling. Then that is the optical. Then the velocity of the light c, time t, ct. Then g a dash d. This is ct. This is also same right angle now. Then ct. Here G A dash square equal to G D square plus A dash D square. G A dash square. G A dash square means CT square. G D VT square plus A dash D. Nothing but this is also same length now. Then take L square. We have to find the ray 1 covered path, the time taken, ray 1 from G2 A dash. That means one right angle. That means one right angle. Then CT square plus VT square plus L square. L square equal to CT square minus C square T square minus V square T square. Which one is common in this? T square is common. Then L square equal to, take the T square is common. Then C square minus V square. Then T square value, time taken, T square value L square by C square minus V square. Then T value L by under root of C square minus V square. C square minus V square. This is the time for G A dash D. Then this is also same right angle now. Then this time and this time 2t, t1 equal to the ray 1 time taken, the ray 1 time taken T1 equal to 2T. T1 equal to 2T. This is the first ray. This is the second ray. We find the first value of T1 that equal to Tt. That is the ray 1. Time taken. Wait a minute. Then T1 equal to 2 into T. T means L by under root of C square minus V square. C square minus V square. Then take the common C square. Or like this. C square minus V square power 1 by 2. Then take the C is common. T1 equal to 2L by C square. Take common 1 minus V square by C square. Power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. Here T1 equal to 2L by C. This goes to numerator. 1 minus V square by C square for minus 1 by 2. According to the binomial expansion, then apply the power. T1 equal to 2L by C. 2L by C. 1 minus. Apply the power. 1 plus V square by 2C. Regarding of power minus 1 by 2. This is the T1 value. This is the for ray 1. Next, the second ray, that is the refracted ray. Refracted ray means refracted ray is traveling from G to mirror M2. Then this is A is to A dash, G is to G dash, then B is also in the same thing, B prime or B dash. Here the second ray, ray 2, that is towards the mirror, then there is a C plus V. Then it is reflected C minus V. Same formula. D by T by S. Then distance time taken T2 equal to time equal to distance by speed. Distance L by speed C plus V. C plus V plus L by C minus V. That is the reflected ray. Then T2 equal to L into C plus V. L take L is the common. Then C minus V plus C plus V by C square minus V square. A plus B into A minus B. Then T2 equal to, here minus V plus V cancel. Then C plus C, 2C, 2LC by C square minus V square. T1 for first ray, T2 for second ray. T1 means first ray taken time, T2 means second ray taken time. Then the total time, that means the total time delta T equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. T2 2LC by C square minus v square, c square minus v square minus T1 2L by c into 1 minus 1 plus v square by 2c. This is in 1 plus v square by 2c. We have to convert this also in this same form. Then take c square is common. Delta t equal to 2lc by, then c square take common, 1 minus v square by c square. C square plus c cancel. Then minus 2l by c, 1 plus v square by 2c. Then this take to numerator. Delta t equal to 2l by c, 1 minus v square by c square, then minus 1. Minus 2l by c, 1 plus v square by 2c. Here apply the power. Delta t equal to 2l by c, 1 plus v square by c square minus 2l by c, 1 plus v square by 2c. v square by 2c. Then in these two conditions, delta t, take 2l by c is the common. 2l by c is the common. Then 1 plus v square by c square minus 1 minus v square by 2c. 1 is common. v square by c square minus v square by 2c. Then 1 minus 1 by 2. Then plus 1 by 2. Then taken the value. This is the v square by c square. For example, this is the 1 minus 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 1 by 2 is the plus 1 by 2. Then delta t equal to 2l by c into plus 1 by 2. That means v square by 2c. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. Then c square. Lv square by c cube. This is the total time. But what value we find out? We find out the value of velocity of the earth. Then path difference. Path difference equal to nothing but optical path. Optical path difference equal to c into delta t. C means optical. C into delta t. L v square into c by c cube. Then c square. Then L v square by c square. This is explained in terms of wavelengths. In terms of wavelength, that equal to Lv square by c square into lambda. Lv square by c square into lambda. Then scientists find this value in the same experiment. It is rotated the 90 degrees. It is rotated the 90 degrees. Then that is in terms of same experiment rotates 90 degrees. Rotates then minus LV square by C square lambda, then total value that equal to LV square by C square lambda minus of minus LV square by C square lambda, then LV square by C square lambda, minus into minus plus, then both are same value now, 2LV square by C square by 2LV square by C square lambda. Then we know the value, L value, V value, C square lambda. L value 1 into 10 to the power of 3 centimeters. V value, velocity of the operators, 3 into 10 to the power of 10. C value, V value 3 into 10 to the power of 6 centimeters. Velocity of the light 3 into 10 to the power of 10. Then lambda value 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 centimeters. Then apply these four values in delta x. We get the value delta x equal to 0.4 fringes. In the same way, this experiment, scientists, they are doing winter, summer, there is no value in change in delta x. Then finally, it is impossible to find the Earth's velocity. Thank you.